Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes Store. So let's get started. To solve this problem, first you have to open the settings menu on your iPhone or iPad. Then click on your iCloud, scroll down and tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. On the next menu, click on country region. It may take few minutes to open the next page, so wait for a while. Now click on change country or region. Here you have to find your country and tap on it. Now click on agree at the top of the page. Apple Media Services terms and condition. I have read and agree to the Apple Media Services terms and condition. Click agree. Now again click on agree at the top right corner of the page to confirm. Here select none option. After that enter your billing name and billing address. Here you have to enter your billing address. Here type your city town. Then select your state. After that type your postal code. Guys, if you don't know what is the postal code of your city is, then go to home screen and open the Safari browser and search for the code by typing the name of your city here. Delhi postal code. Now many codes will appear on your screen. Select the code that you want. So I'm going to enter this code 111001. After that enter your contact number. Now click done button at the top right corner of the page. Well guys, if this method doesn't solve your problem, then all you have to do is go back to your iPhone settings. Click on your iCloud name at the top of the page. Then click password and security. Now click change password. Here you have to enter your two-factor authentication code. This one is my two-factor authentication code that I received. Here you have to change your password. So enter your current password at the top, then enter your new password, then retype your new password to confirm. After entering the password, click on change button at the top right corner of the page. After that your password will be changed on your iPhone and inshallah your problem will be resolved.